In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how much Robux has my game made, how much sales have my game gotten, and what are the stats of my game, and how much home recommendation has my game gotten. So this game I just released 8 days ago and it has gotten into the algorithm, and then at the end I will also show you how much Robux am I spending on ads. So this is the game Dig Brain Roads Before Lava Rises. So I have just recently created this game 5/12/2026, and it's recently updated and it has around 6,800 visits, and favorites are 37 and active right now is 11, and the CCU goes around like 15 to 20 or 10 to 20, it's between that. And these are the servers, and the like ratio is absolutely insane. It's above 90%, which is really good. So first, let's see when did the game release and how much home recommendation have I gotten. So first of all, let's see how much ads have I spent on the game. So these are the stats, and here we can see that it is 43,000 impressions from ads, and I'm still running the ads, and at the end I'm also going to show you how much Robux am I spending daily on the ads. So moving on, let's just go to home recommendation and I'll show you how much home recommendation I just got. I actually got this home recommendation yesterday on day 8 of release of the game. So this is the home recommendation. I have gotten 397 home recommendation impressions. In addition to the home recommendation, I've also gotten some search, which is also a really good sign. So search is around 32 impressions, and home recommendation, the plays are 32 with search, and with home recommendation the plays are 14. Okay, so moving towards the overview of the stats. So the average play time is 7.7 minutes. The amount of play time per user, the average of amount of play time per user, so it is 7.7 minutes, which is not that bad, but this figure should be around here. So moving on, the most important thing is D1 retention, and that is insane on my game. It is 12.81%, and this is the biggest catalyst behind the home recommendation. So this is a stat which you guys need to focus on improving, and what I would recommend, the best thing which improves this stat is adding tutorial to your game. So tutorial really boosts the D1 retention of your game. Next is D7 retention. So this is actually not showing the correct one, I think, because the game just released. So well, anyways, so moving on. So player conversion rate is extremely good as well, and in order to improve this, the biggest giveaway I would biggest tip I would do give you guys is that when you release a new game, just make the game passes and dev products extremely cheap. Okay, extremely cheap. Like make it around 10 Robux or 20 Robux. We do not care about the amount of Robux we earn at the start, because once the home recommendation starts coming in, we will automatically get a lot of Robux and we will make a lot. So the first thing is we need players to get us sales. So basically if we get sales, Roblox actually thinks the game is good, and then it recommends to other players as well. And this is somewhat the same thing, average revenue per user. So it is 53 Robux, which is again good. So coming towards the amount of Robux I am spending on this game per day. So for this game I have been spending 7 ad credits per day, and it's been around 8 days and I've gotten home recommendation already. So it's 7 ad credits per day I have been spending on this game, which is around $7. So yeah, this is the stat. And so the settings on my ad is all default. I have used the new ad manager and I have set all the settings to default. The total amount spent is $54, and the impressions are these. The click-through rate is not that bad, but it could be better, I think, because the plays are not that much, so I need to improve my plays. Finally, the thing which you guys have been waiting for is the sales. I have made a total of 1,374 Robux from this game till now. This is a decent amount, keeping in mind the game has only been out for 8 days, and the home recommendation just started. So I hope this will increase really quickly. So this is the bigger picture here. Right now the Robux I have earned is 723, and the pending is 838 Robux. Sales of goods, and yeah, As you can see, the passes and developer products are extremely cheap. 17 Robux, 17, 8, 41, 41, 13, 13, and the prices are extremely cheap. This will really boost the economy of the game, and it is a major indicator for Roblox that this game is worth spreading to new players. So at the end, to show you guys a bit of the game, this is the game, and basically we need to dig brain rods with our shovel, and we have different kinds of shovels here. These are the shovels we have, and so each shovel gives us luck boost and an increased speed of digging. So we have to dig brain rods like here, like this, and we have to dig brain rods like this, and then
Lucky
we can
block.
open them.
Cappuccino assassino. Lucky block. Chef Crabrakadab. Lucky.
So the main idea is we have to dodge these waves of lava, and we have to go down, and we can also go like here, and yeah, the path is clear right now. Okay, now a wave has spawned, and now we have to dodge the wave when it comes close to us. The wave is coming and we have to come in the safe zone, and we also can't dig here, so we can only dig out there to make more hype and more high stake for the game. Now we have to wait for the lava to go, and it passed us, and we can now dig here. We got the lucky block, and let's open it.
Bombardiro crocodilo.
See, I got a variant.
Bombardiro crocodilo.
Bombardo. I don't know what its name is. So yeah, this is basically the game. Dig brain rods, and when we touch the lava, we die. Also, if you're interested in doing a partnership with the game, or purchasing some form of some percentage of the game or equity, I'm open for that. My Discord will be down below in the description, and you can feel free to contact me for any offers. And yeah, so see you in the next video. And if you want any other stat for me to show you, just comment down below, and I'll show you the stat instantly in the next video. Also, if you want to see my other games, their stats, let me know down in the description, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more similar videos.